The type and the area of the property correlate with each other. For example, if you have a detached house which has 3 floors, each of 50 square meters, then the property's area is 150 square meters altogether. Having entered this, you can see that the price has been modified according to this value. Although in case of detached houses the price will be calculated according to the interior area, we also take photos of the garden. If there are outbuildings, they also count. Note that the interior square meters contain balconies, terraces and porches as well. These are also included in the property's area in case of flats and offices. However, in case of a flat or an office, we take photos of the stairway, like we take photos of the garden in case of detached houses. We also take photos of the street from which the building itself can be seen. It works in a similar way in case of halls. Here, the interior places are included in the calculation, but we take photos of the street and the building surroundings as well. The case of lots and lands is quite different. Since there's no building, the calculation is based on the size of the land or the lot.